Well, I got hooked on whiskey, it was a terrible thing. I just didn't dream the truth like swinging on a swing. I was a flying high. I was a flying high. And I didn't want to come back down. I didn't even wonder why. Whiskey first thing in the morning, whiskey last thing at night. Put the whiskey here by the bed, God, don't turn out the light. I'm a flying high. I don't even want to come back down for you. Let me go swinging, swinging my boots. I lived by singing and playing. With booze it didn't work so good. My hands began to shake so bad. My head was made of wood. I was a flying high. Flying high to the moon. And I did not want to come back down. Anyway, not too soon. I began to notice it was already too late. Hell's a breeze, gone to hell, I hardly slept already. I was a flying high. You know, I thought I was doing good. But I could not even count to 10. And my body hardly stood. Well, I still tried to think to a swing. Couldn't even get out of bed. Took me to the hospital where they gave me up for dead. I was a flying high. That I was doing good. But I did not want to come back down. And I wouldn't have if I could. Well, look, I'm picking it. Let's do one together. How we got me through it all. Chance in a million, they say. Hope none of you ever make that scene. It's sure a nowhere where you think you're flying high. You think you're doing good.